Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Quick little video for you today, a quick dinner too. Little bits of beef, some leftover veg from the weekend, all chopped up. I had some brown rice first that I sautéed in some butter. After a couple of minutes I added in the boiling water. After about 10 minutes I added in my white rice. I wash all my rice under the cold tap before I cook with it. And I add in more boiling water, and I have actually a beef stock in there now, which I'm going to try and break up. I'll leave my rice simmering until it's cooked. I had butter in this pan before I added in the beef, some nice melted butter. And now the beef is cooked, so I'm going to add in my veg. I'm going to add a little bit of hot water to make sure to mop up all those juices from the beef, and I'll just leave this simmering for a couple of minutes. I've added in some soya sauce in here and some honey just to make a little bit of extra sauce and a little bit of extra deliciousness. I've my rice straining. I rinsed it under cold tap as well, just for a few seconds. I've rinsed some tinned beans, mixed beans. I'm going to add those in. Now, isn't that looking just absolutely delicious? Leave to simmer on a low heat just for another couple of minutes. And here we have it. A lovely bed of rice with my beef and stir-fried vegetables. Delicious. Hope you have a go at making it. God bless this food. God bless you. Buon appetito. Bye. If you like this video, please like, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to have you join me. Bye. God bless.